creating a photo book and found an ETH file in your project folder? This is a photo book project from Adobe's Consumer Photo Editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, and print these Photoshop Elements photo book projects. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange ETH formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. ETH files are photo book project files created by Adobe Photoshop Elements, the consumer photo editing and organization application. They contain multi-page photo book layouts with placed images, text captions, background themes, frame styles, and page arrangement configurations, designed for ordering professional prints or home printing. Adobe Photoshop Elements ETH files use a proprietary format, storing page layout definitions, image placement references with crop and rotation, data, texts, block formatting, background theme, identifiers, frame overlay, selections, and print configuration parameters. The format references original photo files from the Elements catalog. The proprietary opener for the ETH file structure is typically Adobe Photoshop Elements by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows previews flattened output only, leaving full editing to design software. Your essential first move: right-click the ETH file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop Elements is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your ETH file is not opening yet, that is normal. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here is a list of the key technical reasons this ETH format often fails to open. First, opening in Photoshop Elements. Launch Adobe Photoshop Elements and open the ETH file through the Create menu, then Photo Book option. The photo book project loads with all pages, images, text, and layouts intact. Navigate between pages using the Page panel and edit individual elements by clicking on photos, text boxes, or background areas. Next, editing photo book pages. In Photoshop, Elements modify the photo book by dragging new photos onto pages, rearranging page order, and editing text captions. Change background themes and frame styles using the Options panel. Resize and reposition photos within their frames and apply autofill to quickly populate empty pages with photos from your catalog. Finally, printing or ordering. Print the completed photo book at home using File, then Print with multi-page output settings. Alternatively, use the Order Prints feature to submit the photo book to a professional printing service directly from Photoshop Elements. Export individual pages as JPEG or PDF files for alternative printing options. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.